In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bitvavo. First of all, I want to say if you want to get the best fees available on Bitvavo, I recommend you to check out the link in the description down below and create an account. So once you are in Bitvavo, either on your phone or on a desktop, you need to search for Bitcoin. So just search for BTC or Bitcoin, and here you see Bitcoin right there. So do not tap on Wrapped Bitcoin, that's another coin, or basically another project. I just recommend you to buy the normal Bitcoin. So tap on Bitcoin, and here you can see the chart of Bitcoin. This is in this case it's the hourly chart, but you can also filter through daily or 7 days, 30 days, 1 year, or the all chart. And here you can see the asset balance, so how much I currently have in Bitcoin. You can see about Bitcoin, and here we see the buy and sell section. So of course, you need to make sure you have enough balance on your Bitvavo account. So as you can see, I right now have 15 euros on my Bitvavo account. So make sure you have enough money on your account. Otherwise, of course, you cannot buy Bitcoin. But what you need to do, if you want to pay, for example, 10 euros worth of Bitcoin, just fill in 10. So now in this case, if I tap on buy, I buy 10 euros worth of Bitcoin. The minimum amount, by the way, is 5 euros, so keep that in mind. But if you just want to buy, for example, you can also type it like this, 0.0002. Now I buy this amount of Bitcoin, which is the equivalent of 10 euros and 37 cents. Keep in mind that you need to have a spread as well as a fee to pay of 3 cents in this case. So one way to save some money on fees is by going to the pro mode. And this sounds maybe a bit too advanced, but it is actually very easy. And by the way, only available on the desktop, so not on mobile. Right, just tap on go right here. So looking for more options, try pro mode. You can also see it right there. Just tap on this. And then you need to make sure that you have the right currency selected. So right now we have BTC against the USDC. And we need to have BTC against the euro. So keep that in mind. It's very, people make a lot of mistakes in this moment. So keep that in mind. Now you need to verify that you are a human. And in my case, I am a human. So right now we have the right currency selected, BTC against the euro. Now we need to tap on buy right here. And then we can select a limit or market order. So limit order is basically you plan in a buy order at a specific price. So for example, you want to buy Bitcoin at, let's say, exactly 50,000. But you can also select a market order, and that is just right now. So at any price right now. So you can either plan in your trade, by the way. You can plan in your trade or just buy Bitcoin right now. So again, we have 15 euros on our account, and we can either select like we want to buy 1 Bitcoin, which is, we don't have enough balance, sadly. But what we also can do is just fill in this right here, for example, 10 euros. All right, and that is it. So we can change this slider to like our full balance. So in this case, 15 euros and 10 cents, or just 50% of our account balance. And we can tap on the advanced options, but that's not necessary. And now just tap on preview by order, and then tap on buy. And then you have bought Bitcoin with lower fees, because basically this is more advanced way of buying Bitcoin on Bitvavo. It works, by the way, on any coin that is on Bitvavo, and you save yourself some money because it's a more advanced way of buying crypto. So I do recommend you to check this out and buy crypto through the advanced or pro way. So I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you want to get started with Bitvavo yourself with the best fees available, I recommend you to check out the link in the description down below and save have 0 transaction fees on your first $10,000 or euros basically. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.